Good morning on this nice, beautiful summer day. Today's video, kind of quick, getting your nails trimmed for that YouTube video. Especially when you do close-ups, people notice your fingernails. And they should be clean and trimmed. You're saying, all right, Bruce, why didn't you just wash your hands and scrub brush? And yep, could do that. Clean nails are important. Now, I didn't do that immediately before this video because when you wash your hands right before you trim your nails can be soft. And when they're soft, you can easily overdo it with the file. Now, we're using a file today. We're not using nail clippers. We want it fairly accurate. Once again, it's for videos, close-ups, or even if you're going out on a date, your date may notice your nails. So, for our videos, we want to show some white. We're not doing this like we're a massage therapist who may trim them all the way down to nothing. So there's no chance of scratch, scrape, whatever. We need a little bit of white. That little bit of contrast, it looks good. So we have very fine and we have the coarse. I'm just going with the coarse. As you noticed before, I cleaned all the gunk out from the nail. Good. Now, we start off going easy. Once again, if your nails are wet from a fresh wash, it will go down really, really fast and you could overdo it. Now, also be aware, after you trim your nails, if you go and wash, they'll appear to shrink up. So just do your timing right for your video. Once again, try not to have your nails wet when you do this in case you make a mistake, because then it's going to take a day or two to really correct. Now, okay, it's coming down. I want a little bit more, because I just want a fine white line. In videos, it can appear exaggerated. Oh, it's getting close. Now notice I clean up underneath. This type of file will leave a ridge underneath. I want to get rid of that ridge. It can be deceptive. And we're looking pretty close. That ridge under there is getting right. And then just a little teeny on top. Little bevel. That's actually looking pretty good. I can go with that. As compared to the original, that little yellowy, little dull, not as good. And that's pretty well it. Do the rest and you'll be ready for your up-close, personal, and beautiful YouTube video. This has been Bruce, and once again, drink more shine and eat more bacon.